Dance, beautiful people. Hi, my beautiful people. How you doing today? So here we have, okay, another wig. All right. Now, I've actually made a video with this wig on. So please go back into my videos to see a fuller video about how I installed this wig, but I want to come out here also talk about this wig. Okay, for those of you who want something with a little bit more color for the summer, okay, this type of wig is perfect. Okay, if you want to kind of brighten up your hair, look at the scalp is so good. All right, if you don't, if you want something that's not too long, okay, because you know the summer be hot, so you want something that's kind of, you know, like a good length, not too long, and just kind of light. This piece is perfect. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the hair with me wearing it. Okay, it's just cute, right? Look at the color. It's just very fun. Okay, it's fun. It's a nice one. And look at the scalp, look at the lace. I like this wig, you know, I do. It's light, it's fun, it's a summer wig for me. Okay, and boom. This is me, all right, with it on. You see what I mean? Like, you could kind of style it however you want. I like to do little curls because it kind of brings out the highlight more. Okay, I like to do the curls. It kind of brings out my highlights. And I just glued the edges, you know, and then I have my band on, you know, just kind of making sure that the glue is setting. And look at the scalp though. The scalp is so real. Look at it. I just love it. I just love it, love it, love it. Okay, so Duns Beautiful People, here goes my sign. Duns Beautiful People. Follow y'all. Subscribe, follow me. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts on what you think about this little simple cute summer wig. Okay, if you want to give your hair some highlights. Okay, and here it is. Boom. All right, look at the edges, y'all. Yes, 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 she is ready. Right, right, look at the edges. You like? It's very good. Okay, so here I have the wig on. Okay, I just wanted to install it and let you guys see how it looks like. Very nice, right? The lace guys melted. And I'm gonna do my makeup and head out. All right, so let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, like. Okay, stay tuned for the next video, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna be making more videos about relationships. Okay, for my beautiful people out there waiting on a video about relationships. Okay, I got y'all, but I want to come out, you know, from time to time to show you guys my wigs, the kind of wigs that I'm rocking. Let me know your thoughts. Love you with the love of Jesus Christ. Mwah.